Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Hyundai Sonata in neutral. First, make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, locate the shift-by-wire button on your center console. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, you'll be ready to proceed. This method is for when your engine is running or the ignition is in the on position. To shift into neutral with the engine on, first ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Next, press the P button on your shift-by-wire console. While still holding the brake, you can then move the shift lever to the N position. This action will disengage the transmission, allowing the wheels to spin freely. Always be cautious when the vehicle is in neutral. If your engine isn't running, you can still put your Sonata in neutral. First, turn the ignition to the ACK or on position without starting the engine. Then, press and hold the brake pedal firmly. Now, you can press the shift button and move the lever to the N neutral position. This is useful for towing or moving the car short distances without power. Remember, safety is paramount when putting your car in neutral. Always engage the parking brake, especially on any incline, to prevent unintended movement. Never leave your vehicle unattended while it's in neutral, as it could roll away. For more helpful tips and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video. And speaking of reading, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.